हेलो चिल्ड्रन एंड वेलकम टू द क्लास। बच्चों, हम सबको पता है that water is a basic need for all human beings. We all know that when we come back from outside after playing for a long time, what happens? We feel very dehydrated. What do we want to do then? We want to have a lot of water. Then children, we need water for so many other things. So water is a main part of our lives. But what we forget is that water is very precious. How and why is what we are going to learn in this chapter. Let us first quickly revise what are the uses of water for human beings in this video. Uses of water. Living things cannot exist without water. It is a basic requirement for survival. We need water for drinking, bathing, hydroelectricity, cooking, cleaning our homes, washing, watering the plants, and even for water sports. The earth is covered with water and it is 3/4 of water on earth that makes it a blue planet. Majorly, the water is locked in oceans, lakes, rivers and ponds. It is also frozen in the ice glaciers. Children, we all know that there is a major climate crisis going on these days. And what is happening? The rivers are drying up fast. The glaciers are melting fast. And because of all this, there is shortage of water that is taking place. This is the reason we are studying the chapter on why water is precious. We need to utilize the water very judiciously. Now, the water exists in three different forms. Water is present as gas. How is this gas produced? When water is heated, the molecules of water begin to move at a very fast pace and water changes into steam. In this state, there is no definite size or shape of water. अगर इस steam को हम cool करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? हमें मिलता है liquid. When water is cooled down, the gaseous water changes into liquid water and liquid water takes the shape of the container it is in. It also does not have any shape. If you cool the liquid further, you get ice. Ice is the frozen form of water or the solid form of water which has got a definite solid form. Children, this change of state of water from one state to another happens continuously in nature and this happens in the form of a water cycle. Now let us quickly see what the water cycle is all about. In nature, the heat of the sun causes the water from water sources on earth like well, ponds, etc. to evaporate. When this water vapor rises high in the air, it cools down and forms clouds, which is called condensation. When the clouds become very heavy, they fall down as rain. This cycle is on continuous repetition in nature and it is known as the water cycle. So children, here we understand that the water cycle is a continuous process in nature. That means whatever water is being evaporated, it's coming down. But then why is there a shortage of water? There is a shortage of water because there is wastage of water. We need to understand that although 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, we cannot use all that water. We can only use a certain amount of water which is present in rivers, lakes, etc. How can we avoid wastage of water? We should take a bath using a bucket. We should not throw waste in water. It pollutes the water. We should not waste water like wasting water, leaving the taps open while brushing. We should water the plants early in the morning, not during daytime, using a bucket and a mug. And we should turn off the taps when not in use. We all understand that water is a basic necessity of life, whether it is plants, animals, or human beings. Therefore, we need to understand the judicious use of water so that we can conserve it.